Hi there, students. Incongruent, an adjective. Incongruity, a noun. And incongruence, another noun as well. Okay, let's see. Incongruent. This means that something is not suitable. It doesn't fit well. It doesn't go well with something else. So, for example, I don't know, a bottle of whiskey at a kid's tea party is incongruent. It doesn't fit. They don't go well together. Or maybe you're watching a film and the film is about things that were happening 100 years ago. And suddenly you see the actor's got a digital watch on his wrist. That is incongruent with the date of the film. It's also an anachronism. It's out of time. It's the wrong time. Yeah? So the digital watch would be an incongruity in the film. It would be something that doesn't match, that doesn't fit. Okay? So incongruent, not fitting together. Incongruent triangles. These are triangles that if you make them bigger or smaller, you can never get them to match. They don't match one over another. So, incongruous, lacking harmony, incompatible. He told a dirty joke that was completely incongruous with the polite conversation. Yeah? So, incongruous as well, not in agreement, inconsistent. Yeah? An inconsistency. So, I don't know, yes, somebody who's always campaigning to save the planet, driving a huge, great big car. That's incongruous, yeah? The two things are incongruent. There is an incongruity between the two things. Yeah, so it's not in keeping with what is correct or logical or something that's appropriate. So incongruous, inappropriate. Incongruous behavior. His incongruous behavior made everybody look at him. There were inconsistencies in the alibi that he gave the police. Certain facts were not congruent, the same. They didn't match together. They were incongruent. He looked very incongruous, dressed in an army uniform, as he was a pacifist. Yeah? Okay, so incongruent, not matching. Yeah? So, an incongruity, the state of being incongruous. Yeah? Something that's in disagreement. There's a discrepancy. Yeah, there's an inconsistency. Okay? Incongruent, out of place, incompatible, not harmonious. The Dayglow t-shirt was totally incongruent for a funeral. Yeah, so I think very often there is incongruity between what politicians do and what they say. They say one thing and then do another. So incongruous, not similar, not matching, not fitting in. Yeah. I think numbers can also be incongruous. I think it's something to do with division and a remainder, but I don't remember. Maybe somebody could explain that for me. Okay, so if two things are incongruent, they don't go together, they don't fit, they don't match. I don't know. Fish ice cream. That's very incongruous. Yeah. Smoked mackerel ice cream. Well, I'm sure there's some chef out there who might make it, but the two flavors seem very incongruous to me. Yeah, they are incongruent. How formal is this word? Yeah, so I'm going to give it a 7, a 7.5. It sounds pretty literary, very posh as well. I think inconsistent and inconsistency would be much better informally. So use it semi-formally or formally. And then the origin, well, it comes from Latin incongruous, in, not, and congruous, congruent, similar. Yeah, so not similar, not matching, not fitting. Okay, so incongruent. The party was a formal black tie affair, and he went in a t-shirt and jeans. Yeah, his clothes were extremely incongruent. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Incongruent, incongruity, incongruous.